Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for your outdoor spaces. The best swing canopy replacement for two-seaters available in the market. Now, if you're like me and enjoy relaxing in your garden or patio, having a sturdy and weather-resistant canopy like this one from Titoy can make all the difference. Let's break down why. First off, this canopy is crafted from high-quality polyester, which means it's not only durable but also waterproof and tear-resistant. Perfect for withstanding those unexpected rain showers or harsh sunlight. It's designed with an internal coating and double-stitched hem, ensuring it provides comprehensive protection against sun, rain, snow, hail, wind, dust, and dirt. One of the standout features is its UV resistance. The heavy-duty fabric blocks harmful UV rays, protecting your skin and preventing the fabric from fading, even on scorching summer days. And here's a pro tip. Maintenance is a breeze. The fabric is washable and fade-resistant. Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth or rinse with water, and it's good as new. Plus, it dries quickly in the sun without shrinking. Now, when it comes to sizing, this canopy measures 75 inches in width, 52 inches in depth, and 5.9 inches in height. It's designed to fit most standard two-seater swing frames, but always double-check your measurements before ordering. To wrap it up, if you're looking to extend the life of your outdoor swing with a reliable and durable canopy replacement, the Titoy Swing Canopy is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, easy to maintain, and offers superb protection against the elements. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.